Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Cassandra. Today I'm going to be sharing how you can add some easy early math concepts into your day for your young preschool or pre-K level child. So today I want to share with you a super simple and easy math program called Monster Math. Monster Math is perfect for a preschool or a pre-K level child. When my son was about 3 years old and I was starting a light homeschooling preschool program with him, I wanted something that I could include some math concepts throughout the week, but I wasn't interested in a big curriculum bundle that cost a lot of money. I wanted something inexpensive and easy for him. So I ran into the program called Monster Math, and it all started on Netflix. So I was watching a show called Monster Math on Netflix with my son, and they were just 10-minute short episodes. And it followed this group of really cute monsters, and the monsters would have problems and issues that would happen during the episode, and then they had to use their math skills to solve the problems. Well, I watched how my son reacted to the program, and he loved it, and he was learning so much that I got to think, how could I add these short little 10-minute videos as part of our homeschool program for preschool. He was watching things like maybe they were doing some little bit of addition or subtraction, or maybe it was less than or more than or equal to, or maybe they were doing things like patterns. And he was like gaining so much knowledge in math, but it was just such a simple basic level that it was just so perfect for him at 3 years old. So I started doing some digging, and I ended up coming across exactly what I was looking for. It's the instructional guide for Monster Math. Here they already had it packaged up, and it was a 30 lesson package that you could just click and print and download, and I actually have that link below. So if you are interested, click that link and download that document. Included with the 30 lessons has what video there to watch, the short 10-minute video, and then has 2 different activities. One activity is real basic, something for a real young child, like 3 years old. And then they have a second activity that could be for a little bit of an older child, 4 or 5 years old. And both of the activities are great, and you as a parent can pick which activity you want to do. The supplies that you need for the activities are very simple things that you probably have around your house. Maybe they're working on measuring and you just need to have a ruler or measuring tape. Maybe they're building boats and doing some things with weights. Maybe it's just getting some foil and pennies. So the things that you need are real simple and easy, and it was like laid out perfect for me, and it was exactly what I was looking for. So we started that year at the 3-year-old level, and we just did 1 per week. There's 30 lessons in it, so for us that was 30 weeks. And all we did is we watched that video. So example would be, say, patterns. So the storyline for the pattern episode is the monsters are tracking down these patterns that are made with these little scooters across the town, and they're checking out the different patterns and trying to solve which scooter went which way with the pattern it was making. And so after they talked about patterns, I sat with my son and we just talked more about patterns. I showed him different patterns. I drew some patterns out. I did some patterns with like clapping and hand motions, just so he could see where and how you could use patterns. Then there was a worksheet included for that lesson that had some lines and sort of strips that they were able to color in to create their own patterns. And so I sat with him with some markers and crayons, and we colored our own patterns and talked about different types of patterns. So at the end of the week, I knew that my son got this really simple, easy introduction to patterns, and that we did something with a math skill for that week. And so that continued for that whole year, and he learned so much. And then by the time we were done, the lessons do get a little harder as you keep going, but by he was done with that year, he was able to count to 20, he was able to recognize numbers, he was able to understand those early sort of math terms, and it was just such a perfect introduction, and the best part, it was free. So I continued that with my daughters, and unfortunately, the time my daughter started doing it, I realized that Netflix no longer streamed Monster Math. So just searching on YouTube, which you can do that as well, the episode name that's at the very top of the instructional guide, if you just type that into YouTube, it pops up the 10-minute video that are available streaming right from YouTube. So you can watch it from YouTube and then still do the activities. So for my daughters going through the same program at that 3-4-year-old level, We just watched them on YouTube and did the activities. And it was such a blast for my family. It worked out perfect and was great for that preschool level. So if you are looking for an easy and an inexpensive program, go click that link below, go check out those videos on YouTube, and hopefully this program will be a perfect fit for your family. So if you have any questions about Monster Math or any comments of what you've already watched or used for Monster Math, leave those comments below. And if you like this video, go ahead and click that like button, click that subscribe, and I will talk to you soon. Goodbye.